Have you noticed that the sticky, damp weather is becoming less frequent? That's climate change intensifying the imbalance in the water cycle. Shrinking wetlands and polluted water sources are weakening the planet's natural humidity regulation. Cutting carbon and protecting water are key to restoring the water cycle. So, how do we restore the water cycle? The answer lies right beneath our feet. Securing the water cycle comes down to 3 key actions. First, source protection. Pipes are the transport channels for water, and they must keep water pure. For example, LESSO replaces lead salts with eco-friendly calcium-zinc stabilizers in pipe production, eliminating heavy metal leaching. That means cleaner tap water and safer vegetables for all of us. Second, avoid water loss along the way. Water should travel from its source through pipes without loss or waste. That's where processed water conservation comes in. Take a 1 km DN 200 municipal water pipe as an example. Annual leakage equals cross-sectional area times flow velocity times operation time times leakage rate. Cross-sectional area, 0.0314 square meters. Flow velocity, 1.5 meters per second. Annual operation, 8,000 hours. Leakage rate, 12%. A DN 200 pipe delivers 0.0471 cubic meters of water per second, or 1.356 million tons per year. With a 12% leakage rate, a 1 kilometer pipe would theoretically lose 163,000 tons of water. In reality, factors like peak hour fluctuations and maintenance downtime mean that the actual leakage comes to about 6,000 tons per year. LESSO's electrofusion connection technology achieves near zero leakage, saving those 6,000 tons of water every year. 1 acre of green space needs about 200 cubic meters of water per year. 6,000 tons of water can nourish 30 acres of green space. Those 30 acres of grassland can absorb 15 tons of CO2 per year and release 40 tons of oxygen, providing continuous energy for urban and wetland ecosystems. Third, cut carbon at every stage. Securing water is only half the battle. We also need to reduce emissions. Why is leak-proofing sewage pipes so important? When sewage leaks into the ground and breaks down in oxygen-free conditions, it produces methane. 1 ton of methane has the same greenhouse effect as 28 tons of CO2. That's why preventing sewage leakage is a critical part of carbon reduction. Beyond drainage pipes, insulating heating pipes also helps cut carbon. Better insulation means less heat loss. Conventional heating pipes lose about 20% of heat, while LESSO PRT2 floor heating pipes lose only 14%. For a 1 kilometer pipe, that saves 600 gigajoules of heat per year. That's equivalent to burning 3 fewer tons of coal, reducing CO2 emissions by about 2 tons. Source protection builds the foundation for healthy ecosystems. Processed water conservation ensures a sustainable water cycle. Decarbonization helps cool down the planet. Every drop of water we protect and every emission we cut is a step toward a better future for the Earth and for all of us.